What's going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bring you guys another unboxing video. For today's video, it's going to be a little bit smaller than the last one, but I still do have some pretty good stuff to show you guys today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. I know this is an unboxing video. This was in a box, and now it's not, because I just had to open these. I actually had a buddy that wanted to see them. So unfortunately, I could not save them for this unboxing video. As you guys can see, it is the Acronym Prestos, boom, in the black gray colorway. Came out with the three colorways. They had this one, the Vault one, and they had the pink one. Unfortunately, I did strike out on the pink. That was honestly my favorite out of the pack, but this for sure comes second, so I'm really happy that I did pick these up. Stay tuned for a more in-depth review on these, because I definitely do want to kind of throw these on feet and kind of style them just to show you guys how I would do it. Let me fix the camera. I feel like it's kind of far away right now. Get a little more personal in here. Let's go ahead and jump into these. Boom. As you guys can see, we do have a Supreme bag. Liquid Swords sticker pack right there. This right here, yep, this is the Faces tee in a size large. And I'm gonna be honest, this was kind of like a impulse buy. This was kind of one of those points where you think something is gonna, you know, basically resell, and this thing freaking flopped like crazy. Honestly, at the beginning, I didn't think this would resell, and then this shit dropped on the site, and I was just, you know, kind of bummed that I did pick this up. But other than that, it's all right. It's a dope tee. I mean, maybe in the future this shit will go for a lot. I don't know. We'll see. This thing's already, I think, like $10 lower than retail price, but of course you have to pay for shipping and everything. So I'm down like $20 on this. It does happen when, you know, you try and be cool and you try and, you know, resell Supreme like all these other resellers. Another Supreme bag. Pretty basic. Same sticker pack. Unfortunately, they didn't do any Nike or Supreme stickers, which maybe there's some out there. I haven't seen any of them, but this right here is the Nike crew neck. I'll be doing a review on this, so stay tuned for that. Just because I do want to kind of compare this with like a regular Nike crew neck that you can just, you know, buy for what, like $60 or something like that, because I think this thing was like 128 plus 10 shipping for me. So this thing was still way up there. The patch actually looks really, really nice. If you guys can see that. Embroidered. So, yeah. Overall, it feels super soft. On to the last piece right here. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. We're just going to get things done. We do have an Adidas box. Box looks like it's in pretty decent condition, which I'm really happy about, because this is pretty important to have the box in a decent condition. Let's just... boom. Holy shit. Oh, wow, this box is amazing. Let me get pretty personal with you guys right now. I do want to show you guys the graphics on this box right here. Like, let's just start. Look at that shit right there. I mean, what? That's crazy. That's so sick. On the side, you guys already know we picked up the Frieza pair. Boom. Nothing on the back. Adidas and Dragon Ball Z. This panel is the crazier panel. Rest in fucking peace right there. Do you guys see that shit? But other than that, like, that's crazy. And if you get all of the 7 shoes that they're releasing, I believe, it just makes one huge picture, which is so dope. It's kind of like their manga, comics, whatever. I used to read them actually, and like if you had like the whole set, it makes a picture as well. So really cool concept that they like did that on this as well. I've never seen these before. Like, look at this shit right here, the paper and everything. I'm gonna have to try really hard not to rip up this paper. I actually do want to show you guys what this looks like, because this is fire. This is a unboxing video. I gotta remember that. So maybe stay tuned for another video to see all the details of this. We're just gonna show you guys the shoe in this video in this case. Damn. I'm gonna be honest. I love the concept of this. Go put the box down. I love the concept of this, okay? But wearing these around, like, I don't know, like, as a kid growing up, I loved Dragon Ball Z. I loved the Dragon Ball GT series and everything. And I'm gonna be honest, I haven't kept up with like Dragon Ball Z in so long, because I know like they still do put out like a ton of like episodes and stuff. But the colors of these things and the shoes that they picked to like kind of use as silhouettes, I don't know, I'm kind of bummed that they picked certain shoes. Like this, honestly, this is pretty sick. I probably would wear this one. The Goku one is okay. I mean, orange and blue is kind of hard to wear. Like, all of these are really hard to wear. That's the only thing. So it's kind of like, these are more collector pieces, in my opinion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. There's those right there. Boom. Like I said, there will be a more in-depth review on these, and I'll show you guys all the details and everything like that of these probably in another video with more cinematic clips, because these definitely deserve them. So yeah, that wraps up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We did just pick up the 4 pieces right here. Pretty unique pieces in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about all these pickups. If you guys picked up any of this yourself, let me know down in the comments below. This is Jason Tang TV. I'm out, you guys. Peace.